In this video, I'm going to explain to you if it's possible to see your card number on the Amex app. So unfortunately, as of right now, it's not possible to see your card number on the app itself. What you're going to do instead is to go into your browser, so either on your computer or on your mobile, and then you're going to go into the official American Express website, basically. So when you're on the official American Express website, then what you're going to do is to locate the three lines. For me, it's in the top left corner, as you can see, so click on the three lines. And now you should be taken here. Now, if you don't have the correct country down below, as you can see, you can click on change country and then change to the correct country in here, as you can see. And now when you're done, go back and once again, click on the three lines in the top left corner if you don't have this page right now on. So you need to come back to this page now when you have the correct country. And now what you're going to do, you're going to click where it says help in here. So click on help. And perfect, now we should be taken to this page. Now scroll down a little bit, as you can see, and then click on contact us in here. And perfect, now scroll down, click on personal cards. And in here you will be able to see all of the current details of the phone number that you need to actually call to be able to get help from the support, because they are the only ones that can actually provide you with these details. So you can call them right here, as you can see, and then they will be able to help you with this. You can actually call the customer service number way up here, as you can see, and that is basically exactly how to do this.